Guys, good evening. Not good happen. My fault. My fault why blueberry wounded his face because I forced it pull it go inside the house because he escaped going outside and then digging one there outside and then not good and then did not know have a sharp stuff near at his face. That's why I forced it to pull out and then that's happened. Sakit. Kaya ako bro. Ang dumugo. Hindi ko nga. Tingin ako. Ano? Look at blueberry. It's my fault. Blueberry guys wounded. My fault because he's going inside, he's going outside, escape, and then I pull it out, get inside because he begging at there's something outside he want, but I did not know there is stuff sharp near at where and his face. That's why